Ever since I started reading books, my life changed drastically. Before I used to read books, I used to think differently. I used to think the person who have lot of money only they can achieve success, or the person who is brilliant who only be successful, or he can achieve anything in his or her life. Or for achieving success, we need to be extraordinary. But since I started reading books, my thought changed. So now, let me share with you how I think. Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope you people are doing great and the learning English language in great way. My friend, no matter how brilliant you are or how extraordinary you are, if you don't do hard work or you are not disciplined enough, or if you don't have good habits, you can't achieve anything big in your life. No matter how much money you have, no matter how brilliant you are, if you are not disciplined, if you don't have consistency, you cannot do anything. And see, our thought plays vital role, whatever we think, it play vital role. That is why we have to be successful while thinking also, because if you think, you can do, so you won't do. Okay, so just like if you think you cannot speak this language, then it will not let you become a fluent English speaker. As soon as possible, you have to think first of all that you can speak this language or you can achieve whatever you want. My friend, change your thought, then everything will starting changing in your life. Okay, so if you have been thinking that, if you think that I cannot become a fluent English speaker or brilliant people who can speak this language, no my friend, it's not like that. The only thing is that you need to change your thought, the way of thinking. If you believe that if you can become a fluent English speaker, then you will be. Or if you can't, if you believe that if you can't able to speak this language, then you won't be able to speak this language. That is why our thought plays a vital role in our life. We have to think different from others. If you want to do something different in your life, okay, you don't have to be extraordinary, just to be disciplined. Okay, why I'm saying? Because we probably read that story, the turtle and rabbit race. We read that story in our school days. The turtle and rabbit story which we have already read in our school life. So finally, who won the race? Turtle, obviously, because the turtle was consistent, right? But coming to rabbit had capacity to run fast way. But it was taking rest. It was not consistent. So that's why it couldn't win the race, right? Rabbit, who able to run fast in all animals, in tiny animals. Rabbit couldn't win the race. That is why, no matter how brilliant we are, no matter if we are not consistent enough, we are not achieving anything in our life. Just like become a fluent English speaker, if you think that you learn things fast way, and that is why you are not practicing every single day, then my friend, you won't be able to learn this language. You should remember that story. It teaches us great lessons, right? are not practicing every single day, no matter how good you are today, one day your friend will be better than you if he is practicing every single day. So that's why the different thing. That's the difference. The person who is brilliant and the person who is hardworking and consistent. So don't believe that the person who has achieved anything big in his life, they were brilliant or they were extraordinary or they were rich. No, it's all about the way of thinking. My friend, it's all about our hard work, our habit and discipline. My friend, if you want to change your life, change your habit first. My friend, because if you do the same thing, the result will be also the same. Right? Whatever you are doing, let's suppose if you have been speaking in your mother tongue, then in future you will become fluent in your mother tongue. You will be speaking in your mother tongue. But if you want to learn English language and from today onwards you have just started learning this language, so my friend, one day you will become a fluent English speaker. Yes. So we have to adopt some habits if we want to change our life. So stop thinking that the person who is rich, they can only achieve big things. My friend, if it extends it right. So let's suppose if you are very small and your parents, they don't have money, then I think you won't be able to study. In that case, money is really big problem. But if you are grown up now, you have completed your study, not all, but yeah, your 10th standard or intermediate. So now, if you say that, okay, I am unable to continue my study due to lack of money, my friend, you should do something and earn money, make money and then continue your study. What's the problem? This is how we should solve our problem. Because now we are grown up, right? So there are people, they have this problem, but many people, they make excuses, right? You know, they keep saying that I couldn't continue my study because I didn't have money or I was not brilliant enough. My friend, it's not like that. If you think that you are not brilliant and you cannot achieve anything, my friend, you won't able to achieve anything. So from today onwards, change your way of thinking, okay my friend, and start seeing the result in your life. My friend, if you think different, so the result you get, so that you get the result will be different. If you think different, so the result will get different. And from where did I learn these all things since my childhood? Did I know these kind of things since my childhood? No, not at all. No, I didn't know. But if children, they are very small and their parents, they are not able to send them in any school and all, then it's in case it is a really big problem, my friend. But my friend, nowadays many people, they are able to afford, and that's why they are sending to their children to the schools. That's why I used to think that the person who has money, they can only be successful. No, not at all. Now I think differently because I read books. Yes, my friend. I watch video. I listen to podcast. Yes. So it's all about our mind. It's all about our thoughts. Yes, my friend. See, everyone has two kind of barriers. The one is external barrier and another which is internal barrier. External barrier which is in this world, I mean in this material world, and the other which is in our mind. So my friend, before you need to external barrier, you need to break, before you break external barrier, you need to break internal barrier. People, they tell to their children and the children, they start believing that they cannot do this thing, and that's how their life shape. Their life take that kind of shape. That is why in our case we have to think different. The way we will think will achieve. So first of all, we have to believe our internal barrier which is in our mind. So how can we break an external or internal barrier? Is there any way? First thing, my friend, we need to break our internal barrier. I told you. If you think you cannot become a fluent English speaker, it is going to take a lot of time. But if you can, become a fluent English speaker, you will start seeing the result as soon as possible. And when you are fluent English speaker, faith until you make. So my friend, from today onwards, change your thoughts. If you have been thinking negative, try to think positive and be disciplined. Whatever you have to work, do it every single day. Whatever work you do it every single day. Okay, my friend? Maintain your consistency. And if you feel that you have some bad habits, then try to break that and try to do some new habits. So the decision is in your hand. I hope I will make you understand. So if you like my videos, then please like, share, subscribe. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you for watching.